Okay, we're gonna work on aiming with your angle. So this is not a straight shot. So you know the principle of the ghost ball,
Right.
right? So the ghost ball
It's right there.
is where that will go. So you're gonna aim directly center for that ghost ball.
Okay.
Okay? Now the way that we make sure we're on line with that ghost ball is with your stance. So we stand behind the ball with our right hand over our right foot and our right shoulder in line. There you go. Now you're aiming directly at it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a good stance. Go ahead and bend down. Get a good stance and a good grip. Okay. Now are you aiming directly at the ghost ball?
I'm aiming right at the middle of the ghost ball.
Okay, so you don't have to kill it. Just hit it hard enough to make the 3 ball and hit the ghost ball head on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do that same shot. We're going to set you off angle a little bit. Okay. Let me make sure we're aimed correctly here with the ghost ball. Okay, so now you're going to get a good stance again, but we're going to aim. Yeah, see how your your shot angle is what we're aiming at. The ghost ball is just our visual.
Right.
Okay, so now you know where to aim. So go ahead and take a good stance and bend down and get ready. You got the ghost ball straight on?
Yep.
Now, you're going to hit the ghost ball. It's close. You might have just moved a little bit in your stance, or your elbow may have moved a little bit. We'll watch that.
It felt the elbow move.
You felt the elbow move?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's work on not letting that elbow move. Let me get you squared away here. Okay, go ahead and take your good stance with your right foot and everything in line. And I'm going to watch your head alignment. Okay. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, hang on. Okay, now try. Your elbow was solid?
We're gonna my hand finger.
No, everything was relaxed. You didn't fight that, your elbow didn't move, and that's why you're angled. So when we're looking at those angles, even if, step on this side, even at that angle, well, just make sure your body's in line.
Yep.
Okay? And you have a good stance.
Okay.
Yeah? Now go ahead and take your shot. But now you can see how you're directly hitting the ghost ball head on.
Yeah.
And that's how we can aim. That's how we can aim those angles correctly.
See how I hit it soft, because the way that looked like it was gonna go in that pocket when I laid down.
Well, you can control that with spin. Okay, you can control that with draw. You can control that with other things.
Okay.
But right now we're just working on your angle.
Okay.
So let's say you have this angle.
Okay.
Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to picture that ghost ball, and this is how this is the most consistent that I can help people understand how to aim with an angle. Okay? So you picture that ghost ball. So go ahead and get in your stance.
Okay.
Okay? And then get ready to hit it. Focus on hitting this head on.
Okay. Now one question. When that goes into there, even though it's rolling in there, that ball's going to be rolling this way. Well, when it hits that ball, is that going to change the angle of that solid?
It could if you're putting side spin on it.
I mean, if I hit it dead nut.
If you have no side spin, it will not affect that unless you're hitting it really, really, really slow.
Okay.
When the balls are rolling slow, they have more friction, and it has a cut-induced throw. This is a cut-induced, not a spin-induced. Two different things.
Oh, okay.
If the ball is rolling straight and it's going slow, it technically stays on the 5 ball longer, and it can make it go forward.
Oh, okay.
If you hit a medium to slow shot, not so much friction. So now it'll go down your lane, it'll go down your shot angle
A little quicker.
a little more true.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So let me know when you got your ghost ball. You're gonna hit it head on.
Got it.
Okay. So did you see your 5 ball at all? We can look at it in the video.
Yeah.
You hit it at such a good speed, but when you hit it, the 5 ball slid just for a second, then started rolling true on the angle for it to go in.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And that's how we aim for angle.
Oh, okay.
We use the ghost ball,
Yep.
but we gotta make sure our mechanics are solid, which yours are. And then working on speed is another lesson, but I'll show you that, okay?
Now, when I look at that ball there, I look at where I want to hit it.
Can you visualize the ghost ball?
I can visualize this part right here where I want that ball to go. I'm not really looking at the ghost ball. I'm actually looking at that ball there because I know that when I hit it, I actually want to hit it just a little top of that deal right there.
Right, so this is what we call our
Yeah, I'm actually aiming at
our
where
shot
that
angle.
tip is.
Okay. Technically, we aim 1.5 inches back is where our ghost ball sits.
Okay.
Because our ghost ball is contacting right there.
Okay.
So we want to aim in the middle of that ghost ball.
Got it.
Okay? But now this is called our shot angle. This would be considered our cue angle.
A cue angle?
This is the cue ball angle.
Oh, okay.
Do you see how they're different?
Right.
Well, now we have our cue shot angle and our target line angle. This is our target line,
Uh-huh.
but now we have our cue or our shot angle. So it's different. So we have to aim where that ghost ball would actually contact the 4.
Okay.
If that makes sense, we're contacting it right here.
Okay.
So you're going to aim to hit that ghost ball head on.
Okay.
Okay? Because see how they're touching?
Yep.
So technically, that ghost ball, when you look at a ghost ball, you're actually looking at the center of it.
Right.
Because that's the contact. You hit a perfect stun shot, so it came down the tangent angle. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we're working on that angle stuff and it's not